Therefore, I'm going to me, Marlon Show, and I'm going to Ekasa. Many about many of them, would say me how beer a war so I would be numb one of my would the chinchia also. We are opera war, and I said 5 blood anyhow, and I said there be a stroke anyhow, and I bear my wire and a passo, and I there be Nipa open visa, one anti I won't have visa, and I will be open crater. Why are we young crater? And I said the Italian now. But what is your family number? Ewa habaya every year juma. Ajuma bia me yama bia wo habaya every ye na the account aya bia ma ama bibia atutu yama. Ama hawa eda oso no afino so. No so anya ofa odi. Nti baby a wo bia no. But what is your family number na frame me. Wo frame me a wo so ebeda no osiri. Food and transport for Omaya and Shushimo Ahu, a Juma Paye, until Mamma, 2 mikrata, and fine year Juma, and Bois, we are Sifa and I be Piata. I'll be a down so many, but body say, oh, friend, to be joined.
Ebusuya for me mama akwaba shonko edeba too much GH so yedi nhyiemu se ana eye wo mayimu ensem yedi ka de fata se wa wo hweyi wo beti emu ensem ena mede ebesom na ebusuya for enensem no yenya ntie se ebusuya for allegedly according to rumors enenam famemu eye honorable member of parliament Edema Ascent Central will be enim no metre Maverick member of parliament Honorable Kennedy Japan. Baby a wada me no kase enya kra ade se eye na pomudin ewunsem ena atochema na bisofo asemi ehyasie ebra mo beka ya enche bia ene ye de peso mo se eye Calvin Taylor Ghana ni abrante akopie mu ewo US memu atose wo ye loud silent show na to say bribi etwem no ne Honorable Kennedy Japan na wo mo ewo wenchi bi nam so ma ye tete wo mfama mu se wo tukwa kwa brochi memu se wo kwako face no ewo ho ewo makwan so amene se nochi ene ye jai se ye te eye ne ho ensem emo no ade betu dwa eye Calvin Taylor ade betu dwa se Honorable Kennedy Japan yare ade say all recover from brain surgery amate say amanfo gina so ka say e betimi aba say wo gina so dia cheche no ekeke na wakawie ye no se na one ntem asifate ntina se dodo na nye ntem no kra ekodaye anche ene biemu so rumors for esha say social media bloggers platforms so and it's a man for allergies say papa no pomudin wato chema mate so woja ya rehye na ni nya kwa ntina se dodo na enyi endi na eneyi wo bi abehye ensem no mu Kenya mate se ade dia manfo hu ni se dia ekono ahwa eni ya ina papa no na pomudin ensem enkoye me patre Honorable Kennedy Japan no behye ensem no mu Kenya ene dia ene me de ba besomwo ene afia Schwarzenegger ebusafo ye ni abayi bribi etwem no nso ne ho kan ye emma wo de betu social media sa manfo enkan mo mpa ibo mesa se bia woda no enye na ya rehwemu nyema nkoye wona pomudin ensem wo mate se ebi fa ho chichi no bi ya no bi kansem fa no ba ni niam no otu se esi ade nyema akoye adema na enu emu ene des wo de Honorable Kennedy Japan ni mfoni abeto ni social media platform Instagram to be precise and I say what did a caption way edit at us it was a form Mumplemina menkin kind be efa and sumo say we may disagree on many levels, fight countless times, because I'm just like you. We hate nonsense. But Ken, we need you. Ghanaians need you, so you will forever be in my prayers. My prayers are with you and your family. Just say, and sema, what the other to do na every meaning and to it a ebetimi abase honorable na pomudin sem ne wan hwa be bia no eni nyai eni yenya enunti ena so obayi efi aba bonti abekasa ensem we adafo no yenim so no ni ntem esifate ti se abase wo ka asemisa it could not be for jokes only it makes me say there's some seriousness our issue no man say there may be a truth in the rumor echo viral say Honorable Kennedy Japan na pomu de ensem eho aka bali liam no ebusuafo se saneti a na yese hu behia pa se Ghana for ye be kan no ewo empire mu na yese bebi ode bia ya bompa ya asose na kopo be hunu mobo na wama na hoden no wetimi ede asore efi na ya rempemu na se ne nim no ani na dwuma pa a wo ye emma eye wo man wetimi ato aso ewo sa akwa no so wo mu se Ghana for do na nsentem ebi no nya adwen ewo ne nsem kekaye mu ebi hunu so oye so outspoken say member of parliament ye mebi anka enni se wo de no wo be hyem ana nsem bia emfata se ko be cabinet wo keka ntia ma ebi mu hunu se no ho ayehi wo sai pepe so we emu na nniam no enu nkyere se eye na djuma a wo ya na ne dibia wo man Ghana se honorable no betimi atu no assistant wa yare nkwa de se wo ye oman di sha oman no emu no ho enya na nnwuma bi a wo ye 37 extension wo ye ni nya ye nyama ebe bua Ghana for ya ekroyenti se ewo be ya se begina na ya ye odima mpa ye ne mpo no ebusuafo aye nim yetimi afro mo na ya we show mo wo se na be ya bibie mu no obehu se ye tai ne chi ewo eye empire because honorable eye dia ne honorable ye no aye Ghana nti eno ye honorable nti ne se ebusuafo ensema abetoja dia fa honorable member of parliament Adema Ascent Central Honorable Kennedy Japan fana pomodi enwo ensem no enwo enamde abesumu so what bibi ana woni nsem no wahu bia bomodi ana fa so ye ewo comment section na biem so no share video way on all the social media platforms na yenti ne nkan yenti se busoni bia so bedremu reporter to bia say ye we na esi ana se ne yawe mu se ni se na tie na so ni mu se da me di kan na speculations they can Calvin Taylor na de betu bia say or recover from a brain surgery chile so yete say according to screenshots and nam social media na say this will go when ya stroke they say all going under treatment or recover and is see as we fear sustainga so did abeka until say for na say na tie bia no ye hwe nim say will be ofina kache say the personal assistant be ana the public relations officers and now the bush ni bi ebe be chere ensem no emu edatu na wonu emu no betu nya nwode aso efi ni yare empemu no de ni hu nsem na betu da edeso say bribi sisa a say COVID-19 ebe swear so at say na nke eye di na ko ni wo mu say no na asaban ne chi ana say yare fofo na de no wachi ma wisofo ye ntimi isi ni pe interest sia but ni niemu no de nsaka ene de aso nti ere ni say ye benya de ka ho no na ime so de wo adwen chefa ensem no beto your comment section na bi msu share video way on other social media platforms no follow to my GH or Instagram Twitter so at @TumaGH_ Facebook @TumaGH Muso for munia banana ama obuso ha and day and carbono AC. Na me ya tuma ibedi sharp be makramunia. What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Osenko Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Local dishes, Biani Bia, Biani Pabediti.
Wow, Shanamna. Wele, your my dear BB and MBA. I had a 7 up here, BD, a cup viral. I would order Johnny. You are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And here, Johnny pay fee. Mumina Johnny Park. Now, Hannah Johnny Papa walk. You were easily gone. Boundary Road. Opposite the self-filling station.